Okay guys, so today is Killian's last day dito sa Manila kasi bukas babalik na siya ng Australia. So gift reveal muna tayo kasi ito talaga yung mga gusto ni Killian guys.
He's sad.
I'm happy.
Happy pulang-pula yung mata nyo. Okay guys, so today is Killian's last day dito sa Manila kasi bukas babalik na siya ng Australia. Come here Killian.
Hello.
So, today is Killian's last day. And yan, iniimpake na yung mga gamit ni Killian. Pakita mo ba yan? Oh, wow, ang daming gifts ni Killian. He has gifts from Ninong, Mama, and Daddy. And Kong Kong. So, ito, binili ni Mama and Daddy for you.
There's more.
How many is there?
Like 6 or 7?
Wow. So, all of them Jujutsu Kaisen. What is your favorite here, Killian?
Daddy.
Do you watch Jujutsu Kaisen ba?
But there's no new episode. Just
Oh, who is this?
Satoru Gojo.
Wow.
Sino?
Satoru Gojo.
What? I can't hear you.
Satoru Gojo.
Satoru Gojo.
So, gift reveal muna tayo kasi ito talaga yung mga gusto ni Killian, guys. Like, ito yung regalo ni Mama at ni Daddy Aldrich. Mga Funko Pop na Jujutsu Kaisen. Ang dami, oh! So many collection, Killian. What will you say to Daddy and Mama?
Thank you, Mama.
Wow. How about Daddy? How about Daddy?
Parang galit siya eh.
Oh.
You're welcome, Killian.
Masaya na ba, Killian? Parang masaya na? How many percent masaya? 50% lang. Dapat mas masaya.
Aayusin ko na. Gawag mo na akong kinukulit.
Oh, thumbs down daw.
So ito hirap hanapin ito. Sobrang hirap nito. Ito yung pinabili niya na Stream Deck.
Wow, may stream deck din si Killian.
Ano to eh?
Ano ba ginagawa nito?
ata sa live stream?
What is this to Killian?
It's a soundboard.
Soundboard. So if ever you're streaming or you're doing games, you can input sound.
Oh.
You can do meme sound.
What's
Like, you know, fa!
Ah, ganun yun.
Ikiklik mo
Wow.
siya, tapos automatic nilalabas.
So, may stream deck din si Killian na iuuwi. Let's go.
He's sad.
Mama is not sad. Are you sad, Mama? Nalulungkot.
Of course.
Nalulungkot rin tuloy si Killian. Dapat happy kayo. Smile.
I'm happy.
Happy pulang-pula yung mata nyo. Mama is happy, oh, look, oh. Mama is happy.
Okay,
You should be happy too. Smile, oh, smile. Oh, happy. Yan.
Ito, dalawang Terranova galing kay Daddy Aldrich. Hindi ko
Wow.
nabubuksan. Kasi,
Oh, mga damit, no?
Oo.
Wow, daming damit ni Killian.
dalawang paper bag. Meron pa din sa kabilang kwarto yung mga nagamit pa. Plancha yun pa.
Pasalubong. At syempre,
Ito yung Michael Jordan galing kay Tita Michelle. Luka.
Michael Jordan, Luka, iba yun.
Ano ba to?
Si Luka tsaka si Michael Jordan, ibang player yun. Jordan brand na Luka. Pakita niyo, buksan niyo.
So, hindi pa niya nagamit to.
Kita niyo. Wow! You like the shoes, Killian?
Yeah, and I have used it.
You what?
I have used it.
Why? Why do you have to use it?
I have.
I used
I have
it
used it.
already.
Oh my God, your English!
Hindi ko marinig kasi
Your
ang hina ng
English
boses
is not
niya.
Englishing, bro!
Bakit ba tayo nag-aaway?
Yung sandal yan, yung mga jacket sa Uniqlo.
What?
Ninong is mad.
I'm not mad.
Gusto ko pag sa airport, ang suot mo itong isang jacket mo na gustuhan ko. Ito. Ang ganda sa kanya to. Tsaka yung nako shirt mo.
Wow. At syempre, the best ninong in the world, ang regalo ko, yung pinakamaganda. Pinaka-what? Pinaka-pangit? Ganon? I will take this back na.
Sa akin na lang.
O, sa akin na lang ha. Pangit eh.
It depends. Who does the Crocs go to?
So, this is my gift. The Crocs na parehas kami ni Killian. Killian,
I used it in the toilet and you put it in your face.
it's okay. Killian, why did you choose this design?
High heels.
High
Yeah,
heels.
so you want to be the same as Ninong.
Yeah.
Same height para mas matangkad.
Yeah.
Okay, what will you say to Ninong?
Thank you.
Or will you hug Ninong?
Thank you.
Oh, I will take this back. Sige.
Why would I hug you next to the
Hug Ninong. Yes.
Oh,
Ow!
that's Crocs.
So this is my gift for Killian.
Ito yung mga serious Japanese store.
Wala pala kayo eh.
Gusto mo?
Wala kayo, boy.
Bakit?
Si Killian may regalo sa akin. Kayo,
Ano yan?
wala. Kasi love niya ako. Ito.
Ano yan?
One Piece.
Uy, panis.
Panis.
Siya bumili niyan?
Siya bumili niyan.
Did you give daddy that? With your money? How about me and mama?
Let's go shopping today.
No!
Oh, you don't have to gas.
Only
But
for me.
I bought you food.
Oh, yeah, you bought me food. Binili niya akong Jamaican, guys, kasi yun yung favorite ko. Kami ni mami.
You want 5 Jamaicans? What flavor do you want? It's my favorite.